Hey friends, today I'm going to share with you 3 ways that I like to wear this sweater that I got on sale at J. Crew Factory. It is one of my favorite sweaters ever since I bought it because it's so versatile and I love the color, and it's just a basic sweater, but it's nice to have different ways to dress it up. So today I'm going to show you how I wear it for work, how I wear it out on date night, and how I would wear it just like casual on a weekend running errands or hanging out with my friends. So the first look that I have here is the work look. So for this, I have my sweater, obviously. I love the neutral color of it. It's like a camel, so it's kind of an interesting neutral in my opinion. It's I like it better than just like a beige or even really a black because it does bring some warmth in, but you can wear it with just about anything. So I'm wearing it with these navy like tie top dress pants. They're like a crepe material. I got these at RW, and I also have it with this work bag that I use. My mother-in-law got me this for Christmas and I am obsessed with it. I love it. It's so classic. It's a little like bent right now because I do use it every single day. And then I just have a pair of flats that actually kind of match the sweater, if you can see there. I added on some cute earrings. I'm not sure if you can see them, but they do have a little bit of blue in them, so it kind of ties in with the blue in the navy pants. So this is something I just wear to the office on an everyday basis, and it's comfortable. It's like warm because I'm always a cold person, and I just really like the way it all looks together. All right, so the next look that I have is a date night look. I have this leather knee-length pencil skirt that I've paired with the sweater. I like this because it's very classy. It's got a little slit up the front, but nothing too much, but I find the leather and the slit makes it kind of sexy and fun. I just paired it with some plain black pumps, and I like to go for statement earrings on date night. Oh my goodness, got too much hair. So if you can see them there, they're kind of big. These are actually earrings that I bought and wore on the day that we got engaged in Kingston, so that was kind of fun. So yeah, I rolled up the sleeves a little bit too, just to add a little bit to the flirty and fittedness of it, because I find the cuffs near the wrist aren't as fitted as the rest of the shirt, and I like it tucked into the skirt. I would probably use like a brown purse with this, but I would also probably wear a jacket, so I didn't add the purse just because it's not kind of part of the look, but I do have a nice like cognac purse that I probably would use. It's just bigger than I really like to just with this like plain non-coat look. All right, and here's the last look. This is what I would wear on like a casual weekend, running errands or hanging out with friends. So I've got the same sweater, and I've paired this like blush pink crepe vest over it. And so this vest does have a tie on it. You can tie it in the front, but I've actually tied it in the back so that it just hangs open nicely. I think it makes it like a little bit more casual and a little less dressy. This, my friend Jess taught me the trick about tying it in the back. And then I've just got it with some like comfy jeans. These are high-waisted, they're from Old Navy, and I love them. They fit so well. And then honestly, I am barefoot because 90% of the weekend I try to spend barefoot. If I was gonna run out and go do errands or something, these are probably the boots that I would add. So just simple, kind of match the sweater. They've got like a nice detail on them. They're not too high. So yeah, I do really like those. But for the most part, I spend my weekends at home and barefoot. I did add this necklace too because I think it's cute. It's like a prism. My sister gave me this for Christmas a couple years ago, and my mom had picked it up at the distillery market in Toronto, so I really, really like that. And there you go. This would be my casual weekend look. There's 3 different ways that I like to wear my favorite sweater. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more fashion and like easy casual styling videos from me, just let me know. Leave me a comment down below, like this video, and please, if you like my content, make sure to subscribe. It really helps me out and it helps me to make sure that I'm making content that you guys like. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again on Sunday with a new vlog.